Hey you guys, this is Blending with Henry. A short while back I introduced to you the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. Now I neglected to show you guys the air fryer feature. Now as with any product, there's always room for more videos, right? Okay, so let's do this. Before we get started, please support Blending with Henry by smashing that like and subscribe button, leave a comment, and visit me at blendingwithhenry.com. Your support is appreciated. Today we're going to air fry Alexia waffle cut seasoned fries, Alexia sweet potato fries, and a generic version of sweet potato fries from my local supermarket. You thought you loved your traditional air fryer, but when you see how easy this is and how amazing the air fried fries turn out, you may be checking out your current air fryer's return policy. And then you'll be checking out the Breville Joule oven. Now all of this is done, you guys, from the Breville Plus app. Now using the Autopilot feature. Now Autopilot fully automates the entire cooking process. So, it adjusts the temperatures, stops the cooking when the food is ready. If this is the first time you've seen the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, here's a quick look of the on-screen menu. And you can also manually air fry. Near the bottom corner, you will see the Rotate Remind feature, which appears during cooking to tell you to turn or flip your food. So, you can fully operate the oven with an app. We're starting with the Alexia waffle cut fries. Now, the autopilot mode is called AirFried, and you can easily find this recipe using the search in the app. So, the first thing you guys to do is to preheat the oven by pressing the Start Preheat in the app. Now, it's going to prompt you to press the physical start button on the oven. On the app and the oven, you will see the preheat temperature at 480 degrees Fahrenheit, but the air frying temperature will be lower. You will get a notification on the app when the oven has preheated. Now we're going to pour in half the bag of the Alexia waffle cut fries. And you want to make sure to lay them evenly on the air fryer basket. Now on the app, you just press the Start Autopilot button, and both the app and the oven start automatically and they remain in sync during the whole cooking process. You can see the cook time is just under 18 minutes and the starting temperature is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. During the air frying process, the app will remind you to turn your fries so they will cook evenly. Okay, you guys, we're at the end, and you can see that the temperature lowered to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the automatic temperature changes and heat manipulation of the coils is what sets the Joule oven and Autopilot apart from the common air fryers. Next is to follow instructions on the app. Check the fries for doneness. Now, just taste one, okay? Because I know it's hard to do, because it's hard for me to do, okay? Let them set open for 2 minutes. And then enjoy. Now right away as I pour the waffle fries onto the plate, you guys can tell they have a crispy texture. So let me try one of these for you guys. I'm just doing it for you, okay? They taste amazing and very potato-y on the inside. Now let me show you by ripping one apart. Sorry about that pun. Okay, and it's very pillowy and soft on the inside and not dry like typical air-fried fries. Now we're going to do the sweet potato fries. Now to find these recipes on the Breville Plus app, using search, type in Alexia, not Alexa. That's a different voice thing, okay? For the sweet potato fries, we're placing the rack in the middle on level 3. We use level 1 top position for the waffle fries. Pressing Start Preheat on the app, then pressing Start on the oven. With the oven preheated, just lay out your Alexia sweet potato fries evenly on the air fry rack. Pressing Start Autopilot on the app, the cooking temperature instantly changes to 285 degrees Fahrenheit and cook time is about 17 minutes. Midway, we're rotating the fries. Now, unless they're overcooking on one side, you could technically leave them alone, you guys, since there's enough airflow and heat from top to bottom. Now, with under 12 seconds left, notice the temperature increased to 340 degrees Fahrenheit, so it cooks lower temperature first for doneness and increases heat towards the end to make them crispy. Now, when cooking time is ending, the oven light turns on, which I like that. This is also helpful for viewing doneness, as you might want to increase cook time before the oven shuts off. Alright, let's check them out. Now, just like the Alexia waffle cut fries, you can hear how crispy they sound as they hit the plate. Now, as crispy as they are on the outside, they are still nice and potato-y on the inside. Now, with the oven preheated, we're going to drop in our generic sweet potato fries. I'm using the same air-fried recipe for the Alexia sweet potato fries. Now, just to be clear, you guys, you can't just change the temperature of your typical air fryer and it turns out perfect results. Heat manipulation of the coils is done by the element IQ of the Breville oven. Now, that plays an important role in how this is all done. Speaking of all done, we're all done. Let's check this out, okay? Now, I'm going to try one of these since the recipe is not tailored for generic fries. Now, they aren't very crispy, so they could have benefited using the add more time feature. These are the Alexia waffle cut fries, which came out perfect. And these are the Alexia sweet potato fries, which also came out perfectly crisp and potato-y. And these are the generic sweet potato fries, which had burned tips to them even though they weren't crispy. Now, generic food in general can be a hit or miss. Now, one thing all the fries had in common, you guys, is they were soft and potato-y, I think potato-y is a word, on the inside, and not dried out like the typical air fryer would do to them. Now, in upcoming videos, I will have more air fryer recipes so you can see what the Breville Plus Autopilot can do. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Now, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming videos. I have so much planned all the way through summer, so please stay tuned.